guys, this is Sharlarose and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm just gonna take you quickly into my thrift store. I am going in to look for one thing specifically, okay? Picture frame. But look what I found, guys. These beautiful tables. So beautiful, so vintage, so ornate. I am loving these, guys. Hi guys, so I'm heading into St. Vincent de Paul Mission of Waterbury. So you could walk in the back if you're parked in the back. So they have a little, it's really an exit, but you could go in. So I'll see you guys when I get in, okay? Hey guys, so again, I'm in my favorite thrift store. Look at this mirror. Look at this. Look how nice this mirror is, guys. Look at this. $80. Oh my god. I don't even know where in my house I would put this, but it's so nice. Look at that. And then I saw these tables. Look at this, guys. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Can you imagine walking in your home and having these as your side tables? Oh my god. $75 a piece. Oh my goodness. This one, 75 also. This is so nice. I can't let me stop. Make sure I have like all 4 pieces. The tables, this one, and the mirror. Love them. Guys, please don't worry your little heads. I'm just showing you guys my little shopping sprees. Well, not really shopping sprees, but sometimes I'm eye shopping, so that I could have all the stuff ready to go for my living room. So I'm just getting everything together, guys. Do my little decorating, and then the next video you guys will see the reveal of my living room and also the bedroom, guys, but I'll do separate videos for that. Little thing here. This is so cute. This is so nice. You could have this on your side table, one of the beautiful ones I just showed you, with your match sticks in here. So nice. I think I'm gonna hold on to this. Look at these lamps. $10 a piece. Right, this spot where I'm at, guys, it's so nice and warm. Look at that. This has been in here for a while. It was that lamp It started out at $20. They had two pieces. Seemed like somebody bought one, and they lowered the prices. So nice. I'm a genie in a bottle. Sets of white, guys, 25 cents a piece. Can't go wrong if you have a restaurant or something and you serve tea or coffee. We have numerous amount of plates. Numerous. Something caught my eye over here I want to show you guys. Every time I pass this, I have to look on it. Look at these chairs. How cute are these? Nice. I love these in good condition. $100 a piece. Oh, it's a whole table set, guys. A whole table set. More sets over here. I'm gonna see if I can see what brand that table is and if it costs anything. Hold on, guys. Basically, guys, I'm just trying to figure out what type of furniture this is. It's so unique. It looks so vintagey, guys. I don't even know if that's a word, but it looks so vintagey. It's so heavy, like well made, guys. I'm trying to see if there's a name on it, a year, a century, whatever I could find, but it was so heavy I couldn't turn it over, and I didn't want to take the chance to break the people's stuff. Then I have to buy it. I really love it, but I wouldn't keep all three. I would sell the two that are the same as a pair and keep one, and definitely I would keep the mirror. I am loving the mirror. Okay, it's so different. You could see money on that mirror. Okay, but I have nowhere to put it in my bedroom, nowhere at all, guys, but I'm loving it. Guys, they have different types of chandeliers up in here. I like this one. I don't know, guys, but I'm getting like drawn to stuff that looks ornate, like this. How cute is that? That is nice, right? You could set this up so cute, so pretty. Then they have this one. So nice. And more modern. So nice. I love this one. I love that. And I love this one. Love it. Guys, they have an whole array of chairs and okay, guys, so I went and grabbed my little book of knowledge here having to do with interior decorating. I got this book many moons ago, many years, maybe like what, about 19 years or more. It could be 19 years or more. I've had this book when I did some interior decorating classes in Jamaica. So this is the book. It's not in bad condition. These just needs to go back into the little binder here. So what this is, guys, I'm trying to find the origin of the tables that I found in the thrift store. So what this book does, it has all kinds of furniture styles and periods and stuff like that. So as you can see here, these are chairs and stuff. It tells you the name of the period and all that stuff. So I already went in and I found the page that I'm looking for, having to do with tables. But unfortunately, guys, I did not find any of the tables that I found in the thrift store. None of those are in here, not even close. Well, could be close, but I didn't see any at all. So this one here kind of looks similar, just because it's round and things like that. But that's it, guys. So sometimes when I need a little knowledge on certain types of furniture, when I find them in the thrift store, I just come to my little book here and look it up, different furnitures and stuff like that. So this is my go-to book. I'm gonna continue looking, guys. Oh, my finger got blue with food coloring. So I'm gonna continue looking to see if I find it, and I will get back to you guys. I can't get beyond those tables, guys. I can't get beyond them. Beautiful. Guys, sorry if you hear a big old fan. We have a big old fan up in here that is blowing heat. The heat feels so nice, but this is their little lamp area. If you want little small lamps. Shades. And this is the picture frame side that I always get my picture frames at. I see one that I like, this one, because I wanna do a painting that I saw in Target. Let's see how much this is. $12. That's not bad at all. That's nice. Let's see this one. Okay, guys, so I think I'm gonna get this picture frame here. It's $12. I'm gonna do what I got to do with the picture frame boot from Target. I'm gonna show you guys. It's so pretty. Love it.